Alright guys, so very quickly let's talk about the DAC chain. Alright, so DAC chain is actually a new airdrop that is currently trending and a lot of people are jumping into it. And as you guys know, we don't miss out. Every single airdrop we try it out, but this airdrop right here is currently becoming a little bit late for some people, and that is because they actually gave a time window when the users or participants are going to be able to claim the early badge. And right now the time that they gave has already ended, but they have actually decided to increase the time by another 24 hours. So over here they said on popular demand the window to claim early badge was extended. You have another work day to claim your gold and standard early badge and enjoy multiplier to your QE. Alright, so over here guys, it's very easy. So if you are hearing about DAC chain airdrop or quantum chain airdrop for the first time, this is the last opportunity that you have to claim the early badge NFT for free. It's totally free. All right, so if you are interested to participate on the DAC chain testnet airdrop, this is what I need to have you do right now to be on a better position. So what you need to do is very easy and simple. So over here guys, the link to start the airdrop is going to be right there on the video description box. Once you click on the link, it is going to bring you right here. So over here guys, you can see this is another one they added. All right, so what you need to do right now to actually claim the airdrop is to go ahead and click on enter inception. So over here guys, you need to click on wallet right now, then select your available wallet. Then as your wallet is opening up, you simply need to connect your wallet and you are going to be taken straight in. All right, I will click on connect right now and my wallet has been connected and I'm going to be taken straight in right now. And of course you can see access granted. Okay, so this is an airdrop that we all are hoping that is going to pay massively. Even if it fails to pay massively, we are still going to get something reasonable out of it, because of course it is totally free. Nobody is charging you for anything right here. All your activities right here are totally free. So once you open your own account, you are going to be faced with this. Okay, you can see standard early badge. You simply click on claim to claim it instantly. It's very easy. Now you can see you have only 1 day left to claim this early badge NFT. Now assuming that you just started right now and you're wondering what you need to do, the first thing you need to do is to click over here on this button. So once you click on that button, then your wallet address, the wallet that you connected, the address is going to be showing here. You click on claim, and after the cooldown, your tokens are going to be sent to you. Okay, so over here guys, another thing you need to do is to go ahead and click on this straight line at the top. Come over here to my activity. You are going to see your position on the leaderboard. Currently I'm the 6,578th person right here, and when you scroll down you can see we have on-chain and we have social. Over here on on-chain, these are the activities that you can do on-chain that's going to be earning you QE. Of course, what is even QE? QE is like your allocation determiner. Like it determines your allocation at the end of the airdrop testnet period. And over here we have social. When you click on social, these are actually social activities which you actually need to do, and each of these social activity earns you QE. All right, so we have the to complete, which are the ones that are yet to complete, and we have the completed, which are the ones that you have completed. Okay, so click on the straight line again. Come over here to QE pool. Okay, coming over here to QE pool, this is where you need to burn some of your DAC token. Burning it actually earns you more QE, and also you also provide you stake your DAC token to also earn DAC QE passively. All right, so basically this is all you need to know right now if you are interested to participate on the DAC chain testnet. Also we have the NFT. Come over here to badges. Over here on badges, using the DAC token which you claim completely free, you are going to be required to mint all this NFT that you have gathered, all this badge you have gathered. For example, I will click on mint NFT. Let's see if it will go through, and this is going to be popping up your wallet asking you to confirm the transaction, because of course the minting is on chain, meaning that your wallet need to consent to it before you can be able to mint, and it is totally free. You are spending the DAC token that you claimed totally free. Click on confirm right now, and once you click on confirm, you have just minted your this badges right here. Mint it. It is very, very important. We have a lot of other badges, and you can actually claim them according to how much you keep your streak and all that, and that is basically all you need to know right now. Also, we have the referral, and of course on the referral you basically earn DAC chain for referring people. Scrolling down right here, you are going to be finding out your own referral link, and of course you earn 250 QE for quantum energy for each person you refer, and you also earn 1 DAC token for each person you refer. So it is very, very easy, as you have just heard me explain to you right now. All right, so if you have any question or any concern, do let me know right there on the comment section, and I'll be there to help you. All right, so this is all you need to know right now, guys, and I'll be speaking to you on the next video that I'll be dropping very soon. If you are just coming across my channel, I talk about crypto, how to make money online, and how to be very good with AI. All right, so thank you for watching the video. Do well to subscribe and like the video if you find it interesting, and I'll be talking to you on the next update that I'll be dropping very, very soon.